Okay guys, so we put a new plug in here. Is that normal? Put a new plug in here. Cuba's helping me. Put a new plug. I moved the coil from cylinder 2 to... What cylinder did we put that on for? Huh? What cylinder did we put that on for, the coil?
5.
Okay, because 5 does show like a small miss occasionally. Yeah, look. 5 just went down. Oh, it's sitting in there.
Gotcha.
So maybe it's heat, because now it's not under the intake.
Right.
And 5 was the only original coil.